how to delete a wallpaper on Android. Hello, everybody. If you guys would like to remove a wallpaper on Android, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So you can navigate towards your device's settings. For that, open up your device's settings and you can go to display all wallpapers section within the options within settings. You can look out for this option called wallpaper and style. If it is a different options, I'll look out for display. Within that, you should be finding your wallpaper. So head over to wallpaper that you've added. Right now I have these wallpapers available on my screen. So if I would like to remove it, you can just head over the wallpaper that you would like to uh choose, remove. You may just go ahead and find that option available. Or if you would like to delete a wallpaper Android, the another process we can follow up is change or remove the wallpaper. So for that, you can look out for this gallery option or my wallpapers provided by the devices itself or different other options available. You can look out for that option. For example, if you head over to my wallpapers, you should be finding different wallpapers available. You can just go and select one of the wallpaper, and when you do so, you should be finding your wallpaper being changed, which means the previous wallpaper will be disappearing or deleted, and the new wallpaper will be added to your device. And that is it. So you may follow this method if you'd like to delete a wallpaper on Android. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.